Hey guys, so this is one of my other applications in which I'm using the Orbbec Persee depth sensor to find the number of humans that are standing in front of it. And this shows one because right now I'm standing in front of it. Now, when I press start, this is the count that I'm seeing. If the operator is okay with the count, he will just press this and the entry will be recorded, and we can see it here. Just a sec, and we can see that this entry is then updated in the database. You can see this at 9 p.m. this got updated. Now suppose if the sensor for some reason counts it wrong, then the operator can simply change it and record it, and the entry is recorded. So now if we see, then a new entry is there and the count is 4. So this is another thing. The operator can reset it, and then there is a start button one thing is that suppose if the operator does not do anything, suppose if he does not accept it nor does he decline it, then this simply the entry is anyway recorded into the database, and this is done so that at least this is done so that at the least the time and place and an approximate count at least gets recorded. It may be wrong, but at least we know that someone visited. So that's about it for now. Yes. This was built using Unity 5.5.4 because this is the only Unity version which is compatible with Orbbec, Astra and Persee as of now. And Firebase is being used for maintaining the counts, and that's it.